update. The Royal Jelly representative will call tomorrow.
Why are you phoning? Where are you?
In my room. Doing my filing. I'm not hiding from you.
You're not hiding from me.
Of course not. Where did you get that idea? If you impress the Jelly representative, they'll approve you for the Royal Jelly Blobs at Jellysania.
You're saying jelly a lot. Wait. You mean audition? You are hiding from me.
It's a great opportunity, and it's the rules.
Me? Nova Jones? Audition? For jelly? You're deliberately avoiding being here so you can't see my angry but breathtaking showbiz face.
No, just... Oh, hang on. Speaker not working.
But I am scared of jelly. There's no way I can do the audition or Jellysania. But you're Nova Jones. You should be scared of anything. Well, exactly, Wait, what, Blob? Hi. I'm Avon. As in, Nova spelt backwards. A-V-O-N. Avon. It's Avon. The Space Fair mirror. Careful. You don't want to get sucked into the mirror world. I'm joking. That's not possible. So, are you really, really famous here or what? I usually had about 10 more reelies. Are you not famous? No, I'm your reflection. Some stuff the same, some totally opposite. Opposite how? Like, what number am I thinking of? One. Because why would you think of any number that isn't number one? Salad. Terrible or tasty? Totally tasty. What's your best selfie face? What's your fave thing to do when bored? Shout my sister's name really loud? Same. Johnnicky. Rubbish or radical? Okay, enough of that. I think it's time these twinnies had some fun.
The red stick is indexed to the red folder. The blue stick is indexed to the blue folder. The purple stick is indexed to the secondary filing system.
Hey, McLaren.
Going Nova.
Hey, McLaren.
Coming Nova. Wait, what?
McLaren, I demand attention.
Nova. What?
I know. How am I doing it? Is it a mystical diva ability powered by my musical success?
No, there are two of you. Probably from that silly science fiction mirror you won at the space fair.
Aww.
Still, well done. On a day everyone's talking about fears, you've managed to create my biggest nightmare. Why is Avon doing your audition?
The audition? I guess Avon decided to do me a 20 favour.
Your 20 is ruining your career.
I stay in my own lane. I'm the best of my own game. She sounds like that. People think that's me. The jelly blobs think me sounds like that. What are we going to do?
If we're not careful, we're going to lose Jellysania.
Oh, well, that's not so.
Which I know you don't want, since conquering your jelly fear.
Oh, I did say that, didn't I?
So useful. Make myself useful. Oh, McLaren's failing?
Yes! Useful Sid reporting for duty! I've sent the Jelly Blobs all the best footage we have of you. Universe Has Talent, the Wagaverse gig, that concert you did underwater.
I mean, I don't have to perform for the Royal Jelly Blobs.
It's the Jelly representative. Hello. Can I just say how sorry we are for Nova's voice being so... wobbly just then?
Did
did you say wobbly? Is that a jelly joke?
No. No. I have huge respect for everything jelly. Jelly phones, jelly fonts, Jellington boots, jelly.
No matter. We have assessed the footage, and there is good news and bad news. The good news is the Royal Jelly family would still like to offer Nova Jones the opportunity to perform at the Jelly Xenia. The bad news is one of the clips you sent was a staff member picking them nose.
Sid, we'd be delighted to accept.
But Nova can't accept. She's scared of jelly.
Avon? What? Nova?
What? Nova can't do Jelly Xenia because she's got a big, huge, massive, super gigantic jelly fear. Don't worry, Twinny. I've got your back. Literally. It's the same back. Mirror twin thing.
She's locked the door.
And this one. Open door.
Nova Suite sealed.
I can't believe you lied to me about your fear.
She must have given the doors a new password. Oh, sorry. Are we changing the subject?
Why didn't you tell me sooner?
I thought if I hid my fear, it would just go away. But jelly's just so wobbly and it's the way it moves and wobbles and...
Jelly Xenia concert commencing in 6 minutes.
Avon is going to perform at Jelly Xenia and everyone will think it's you!
I mean me! Somebody stop that, not Nova. It's Avon.
You locked us in the suite. You can't perform as Nova. You sound nothing like her.
But I wanna. I wanna. That sounded like me. Please let me go on. I love being you. You don't know what it's like to be scared of losing all this. I don't know what it's like to be scared. Let me tell you.
I'll tell you what's scary. Having your entire management career ruined in front of royalty!
No, what's scary is...
McLaren! I was so scared that you were going to sack me that I tried to do your filing, but I ended up creating more of a mess than I did with Never-Ending Dough. I wrote a resignation letter, but I ended up misfiling it, and now I'm positive you're going to sack me, and it's the scariest thing that anyone could possibly ever feel!
Everyone, stop being scared right now!
The teabags!
McLaren, how many disastrous concerts have we had?
327?
And I'm still the biggest and best. Nothing to be scared of there. Sid, McLaren would never fire you.
Really? Every ship needs a Sid. Just lay off the filing and we'll be fine.
And Avon. See? You're not me. You're you. You don't have to be scared of not being Nova Jones. Whatever you do in the mirror, you'll do as Avon. But not singing. Sing all you like. People don't have to listen to you sing. And I bet there's loads of things you're good at that I'm rubbish at.
Acting!
Okay. Yes. Like acting. You can't go out in this storm. It's too dangerous. You can't go out in the storm. It's too dangerous. None of what you lot are scared of is scary. What's scary is people thinking I can't sing bestest. That's even scarier than jelly. One fear beats another. So I'm facing my fear. To show those jelly blobs how good I am. Costume, please.
I'm done losing my mind, feeling scared all the time. Yeah, I really don't know why, but now I'm done. 'Cause I got what it takes, yeah, I learned from my mistakes. This habit's hard to break, I'm changing them. Oh, how will I know if I never try? Gotta get out of bed, gotta wake up fighting. I'm so done, always trying to hide. Gotta pick myself up, have the heart of a lion. You can call me Supernova, shine so bright, you know I'm like a supernova. Light up the night like a lightning strike. Yeah, watch me face my fear, my worries disappear. Call me Supernova, Supernova. Now that I look back, I don't know why I let it get me so down. Now that I look
Your royal jellylessers, please welcome to the stage, Avon!
You can call me Supernova. Shine so bright, you know I'm like a supernova. Light up the night like a lightning strike. Yeah, watch me face my fear. My worries disappear. Call me Supernova. 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 Shine so bright, you know I'm like a supernova. Light up the night like a lightning strike. Yeah, watch me face my fear. My worries disappear. Call me Supernova.